Okay, Eric, what did you just say?
I like excavators.
You like excavators?
Yeah.
Do you like diggers?
Yeah.
Wait, I thought you said you didn't like excavators.
My excavators.
You like excavators. What don't you like?
I don't like.
What about cement mixers?
My rainbow measures.
You like cement mixers?
And you like diggers and excavators.
What?
You like excavator and digger and my rainbow measure.
You like excavators, you like diggers, and you like cement mixers.
No, you like it.
Oh, yeah, I like all those.
You like my measure and I like my measure.
Yeah, we both like cement mixers.
Daddy like tow truck.
Oh, Daddy likes tow trucks?
Yeah.
Do you like tow trucks?
My way tow trucks and my measure.
Oh, and cement mixer. What's your favorite kind of like truck?
Tow truck.
Tow truck, okay. And what's your favorite construction vehicle?
My one bus.
A bus?
No.
No.
Very bus.
No, that's silly.
No, don't be for the side.
No, they don't use a bus at a construction site. Cement mixer! And you like it when it's not moving, or you like it when it's spinning?
My way is funny.
When it's spinning, yeah. That's fun.
A paper